In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through a 2-in-1 movement, which is a sumo squat with lateral raises. So not only are you going to be working the lower body, we're also going to be working the upper body with your lateral raises. So this is a fantastic exercise for those that want to do 2-in-1 movements, or alternatively, if you speed this up, you've got more of a cardiovascular or high intensity element to this exercise. Let's go through the sumo squat first. Then let's go through the lateral raise and then let's put them together. So pick up the weights with a nice straight back. And what you're going to do is you're going to have the weights resting on the front of your thighs. So I've got the dumbbells here. I've gripped with my hands facing towards each other, so palms facing towards each other. Feet come really wide, wider than hip width apart. Toes pointed out. And then from here, I'm going to bring my hips back, bend my knees, and come back up into my start position. So hips back, always looking up, chest up, looking forwards, and that is your sumo squat. So you can see that side on, feet wider than hip width apart, toes pointed away, and then from here, hips come back as you come up. The arms don't move at all, the arms are nice and straight when you're doing your sumo squat. Now, the lateral raise, which is going to work your shoulders, you're going to bring your shoulders back. Arms have a very, very slight bend, which we call a soft elbow, and you're going to bring the weights away from your body, end up in a position where your wrists are in line with your shoulders, and then come back down. So let's put those two together. Now, first thing, feet in a wide position here, feet pointed slightly away from the body. I've got the dumbbells here in contact with the front of my thighs. I'm going to bring my hips back as I come down into my squat. Come to where your mobility allows. Place the dumbbells towards your sides, to the side of your thighs. Shoulders back. Come straight up. Dumbbells away from the body, and then return back to your start position. So let's do a couple of fast repetitions. And last one. That is how you do your sumo squat with a lateral raise, which you would repeat for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.